Okay, so we have a rectangular field, the ABCD, all right, and it says the length and width of the field, as we've got the dimensions there. Calculate the length of the diagonal AC. Now, don't be surprised to see a question like this, where we're going to apply Pythagoras' theorem, and when you look at it, right, you might not see a triangle to start with, you might see, in this case, a rectangle, all right? But the key, obviously, to answering the question is appreciating that they want the diagonal of AC, right? And they've actually drawn it in for us, okay? Had they not drawn it in, well, we can draw it in, all right? But you can see then a triangle that's been created, all right? So in effect, then we can ignore the top line here and this line along here, and we can just focus on the triangle, all right? And then go about labeling our sides involving Pythagoras' theorem, okay? So this side here will be our C, all right? And then we've got two other sides there, so A and B, all right? So your choice, what you call A and B here, that doesn't matter. The C is the important side, which is opposite the right angle, okay? So C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So in this case then, your A is 75 and your B is 140, okay? So we'll work that out on our calculator. 75 squared plus 140 squared, and that comes to 25225. And then to get C then, just like before, you need to take the square over, and we're going to square root, okay, and we get our answer. So square root the answer, and it comes out to be 158, okay, plus I'll put it to one decimal place, 158.8 meters, okay. Had they said give your length to an appropriate degree of accuracy, had they stated that to an appropriate degree of accuracy, I'd have actually rounded this to the nearest whole. Okay, so I would have said then 159, simply because they're given the length and widths here to the nearest whole, so I would have done the same then. But they haven't said that, okay? So one decimal place is fine, and sometimes it's good to write in there 1 dp, okay? And the other thing you could do as well, because it says diagonal AC, okay, of course we call it little c, but then we can actually write AC 158.8, just to clarify the length that we've worked out.